Hey everyone, welcome back to our HTML Complete for Beginners. Today we will going to learn how to create a HTML form in your HTML website. So it's a very simple process. Just follow my steps very carefully. So first we will going to open Sublime Text as I suggested you to use this code editor. So as you can see this in this structure, I will going to create a HTML form. So first of all, we will going to name the title with registry form like this, and then we're going to press on Ctrl+S, going to save it. And now if you open the browser, as you can see the title has been set to registry form. And now what we're going to do, we'll go for the body section over here, and then we will going to create a form tag, and then we will going to create a table tag, and then we will give the table tag, and then we will going to open the table row for this, and then we will going to open the td, like going to give the td, and here we will going to type name and give this semicolon over here like this. After that we will going to create another td tag like this, and into the table tag td we will going to type over here input, and then in the type section we will going to name it as a text. So after giving this input type text, now we will going to save it and going to go for showing it what is we making. So we can see we name here, or we make here the name slot, and now we will going to create the password slot. So for that, what we're going to do, we will going to close the tr tag, and now we will going to create another tr tag, and into the tr tag we will put td tag, and into the td tag we will going to type over here password, going to semicolon over here, and then into the password section we will going to, and then we will into the td we will going to type over here td another time, and in the td section we will going to type over here call input type text. Into the type section we will going to type over here password, and into the type section into this name section we will going to type over here name like this, and then we're going to save it. And now if you refresh it over here like this, it will looks like this over here, you can see. So after that we will going to create a very beginner friendly register form. So for that we will not do much more, we will just keep submit or the email over here. We can add an email into the registry. So how are we going to do it? We can simply create another tr tag, and into the tr tag we can create another td tag, and into the td tag we can simply type over here email, and into the email we will going to close the td tag over here like this, as you can see. And then we will going to create another td tag, and into the td tag we will going to create an input, and into the input section in the type section we can simply type over here email, and then we can close the td tag over here like this. As you can see, the td tag is closed, and that's it. You can simply, if you just save it right now, and if you just look over here to a refresh, you can see we simply create a registry form that call name, password, and email. So I want to add something, a name in this way. So how are we going to add it? We can simply add over here into the front side, into the name side, we can simply add over here a little bit called placeholder, and we can simply add a equal, and then we can give the name over here like this, and then we just simply can save it. What we did, you can simply, if we just refresh it, you can see that in this section this invisible name gray out is showing over here. You can do the same with the password and email section. As we can see, we were going to do it by simply add a new attribute called placeholder, and then here we can type over here password, and into the email section we can also add over here placeholder, and into the placeholder section we can simply add email, and now we can save it. And now if we look into this registry form, you can see we simply added the name, password and email. And now we will going to create a button called submit. So for that, what we can do, we can simply, so now we will create a button into this registry form. So it's a very simple process. What we have to do, we just need to create another tier tag over here, and then into the tier tag we're going to create a td tag. Into the td tag we're going to create input. Into the input type we're going to type over here submit, and after the submit we're going to type over here value. Into the value section we're going to type over here submit, and that's it. We're going to save it. And now if we just go for our this register form, as you can see the submit button is rightly into our registry form, into the HTML website. So yeah, this is how we can simply create a form into your HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.